Napagod yan sa kakatawa, guys. Nagulat siya. Matulog ka lang, ha? Okay? Ayan. Cute. So cute. I am preparing for my breakfast. Alas 9 na, guys. Si Matli, alas 5 pa lang gising na siya today. I mean, kanina umaga. Ang aga niyang gumising, guys. Ang aga niyang nagpati. So, ito na lang natira kong bread, guys. Ayan. Ito na lang siya. So, this will be my breakfast. Wawa naman. That's it. Ganito talaga. Hindi ako pwedeng magsalita ng malakas kasi natutulog siya. Maano, kung baka mamaya pupunta dito sa gonna mix sunny side up egg, guys. Para for my breakfast. Mainit pa. Kanina ko pa na ito nilagay dito. Anyway, so yes, guys. Nagutom na ako. Breakfast is ready. Nangingitim na yung avocados ko, guys. Why? Normal lang ba to, guys? Baka sira na to. Pero nung the other day ko pa to nilagay dito, eh. I just use my regular mayonnaise na pangpalaman sa aking tinapay. Simple breakfast lang to, guys. Super simple. Sarap. Tapos, lagyan ko yun siya ng avocado. So, avocado toast tong breakfast na to. Nothing much. Kailangan ko magkulay ng aking kuko. Kasi mataas na kasi yun, guys. Tapos, lagi kong natutusok si Matli. So, pinotol ko siya. Ayan. Alam niyo na ang lola niyo, mahilig sa manicure. So, I do it myself lang naman. Guys, hindi pala madali magkaroon ng papi. Grabe, guys. Sleep deprived ako. Simula na dumating siya dito. Siguro dahil nag-a-adjust pa siya sa environment. Hindi niya kabisado ang bahay. So, palagi pa siyang sumisingot. Inaamoy. Lagi niya inaamoy. Wawa naman yung baby. Cheers, guys. So, ganun. Tapos, medyo may katigasan na rin ang ulo niya. Alam niyang spoiled siya. Kung saan-saan na lang siya umihi. Dati, nung pagdating niya dito, first day, second day, ang bait-bait. Doon siya umihi sa pee-pad. So, parang yung pee-pad, guys, na doon sila umiihi. Kasi trained siya sa ganyan, doon sa breeder niya. Nang dumating siya dito, nagbago na yung attitude niya. Kasi kiss ng kiss kasi kami iya. So, iniisip siguro niya, super spoiled siya. Ayun, kung saan-saan na lang siya umihi. Kaya ngayon, may dala-dala ako palagi nito. Ang laman nito ay treats. So, pag nakagawa siya ng gandang bagay, binibigyan ko siya ng reward. So, alam niya, tama yung ginawa niya. Tapos, pinipraise namin. Pag hindi siya gumawa ng magandang bagay, ini-ignore lang namin. Hindi namin siya pinagalitan kasi hindi maganda sa puppy yan, guys. Baka magkaroon sila ng trauma or emotional issues later on in their life. So, ayun, iwasan talaga punishment saka yung verbal abuse para sa puppy. So, ayun. Pag nakagawa lang siya ng magandang bagay, yun, alam niya, tama yun. May reward siya. So good. Yum. Look! Look! Gusto niyang kagatin ng camera. Oh! Kamatli. Gusto niyang kagatin ng camera, guys. Ayan. Say hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Come! Gusto kong suklayin yung book niya. Yep. You know the drill. Every morning. Ito yung lagi nating ginagawa. Okay? Let mommy brush your ear hair. Because very tangled. Look. Okay, you can bite this one. Not all. I'll give you one. That's so big. That's daddy texting. This is yours. Okay, just let mommy brush your hair. Okay? Ayan. Kasi super curly yung hair niya, guys. Kailangan i-brush yung hair niya. He's such a good boy naman. Ayan. Yeah, he's such a good boy. Good boy, Motley. Good boy. Let mommy brush your hair. It's very tangled. Yep. We're not done yet. Let mommy brush you. We're almost done. Almost done, Motley. Where are you gonna go? Stay, Motley. Stay. Motley, stay. Look. What is this? Malikot po siya, guys. Malikot ang aming baby. Kahit ano, kinakagat niya. That's not a toy. This is for you. Look. Yeah. That's a pink brush, actually. Look. Oh. Yeah, look. Look. Okay, you can bite this. I have another one. Ay, mahirap to, guys. Super liit. Ito yung ina-unbox natin last time. Ay. Ayoko siya. Parang nasasaktan siya nito. Oh, God. Okay. Go play this one, because mommy don't like this one. You can play this one. Look, this one, they're the same. They're the same, it's just the other one is smaller. Look, mommy. Yeah. Oh, yay. Gusto ko to kasi wide yung distance ng brush ba. Okay. Please. Yeah, you can use this. Yeah, look at Motley's hair. Nice and fluffy. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, yeah? You're such a good boy. Yeah, let me brush your hair. Yay! Motley! Motley, come! Ayun na, guys. Ayun na sa likod ng camera. Motley! Motley! Ayaw makinig. Oh God, ayoko mo. Oh God. Baby, tubagad, baby. Wala na. Bend na siya, guys. Yeah. Oh, you and mommy, remember you like to play this? Mommy's socks? Yeah, look. Wow, play this with mommy. Look. Oh! Tulog si Matley, guys. I was able to trim his nails. Pero ang hirap, guys, kasi ang likot niya. But I did it for the first time. So now, I'm gonna make a... Carrots are good for dogs. They're safe. Carrots, broccoli. So, safe sa kanila. Mag-steam lang ako, guys. Para may treat siya mamaya. I have this for a week na. Medyo tuyot na siya. But, yes. For Matley. And for me too, I can eat this too. I usually make myself steamed carrots. Hindi ko na tinanggal ang balat kasi malinis naman. Hinugasan ko siya. Last time. So, antayin ko lang na mag-boil yung tubig and then lagay natin ang carrots. Luto na, guys, ang steamed carrots natin. Ayan. So, mag-cut lang ako ng konting-konti dahil kagigising lang ni Matley. So, we'll see kung magugustuhan ba niya. Try natin. So, slice ko lang siya ng maliliit. Yung kasing liit lang ng keyboard niya. Yan. Ito, guys. So, ayan. Nandito siya. Tamang-tama. Matley? Come. Try it. See? How are you gonna like it? Parang ayaw niya, guys. Umalis. Matley, yun. Hirap siyang anuhin. Nguyain. So, try ko siyang i-mash, guys. Kasi hirap si Matley nguyain. Pero malambot na siya. Gusto niya yung malambot na malambot. Ayan, guys. So, bigay natin. Let's see kung magugustuhan ba ni Matley. Here it comes, baby. Here comes the carrots. Oh, okay. So, I think he likes it na medyo, maliit ang pag-slice ko. How do you like it? You like it, right? Okay, tama na yan. Para madami na nakain mo. First time mo neto. You still have to eat your lunch. That's it muna. Dumating si Paul kanina. Dala niya to from his work. Buksan natin. Ferrero Rocher. Dito ako, guys, kasi itong si Matley, kung anong kinakain ko, makikita niya. Gusto rin yung tikman. Curious siya sa lahat ng bagay, guys. So, let's open this here. And then, tikman natin. I mean, I know naman anong lasa ng Ferrero Rocher. Pero, iba yung pagbigay. Masarap. Early Christmas, present from his job. Yep. Okay. It's 2 layers. Ganda tingnan, guys, no? Parang ayokong kainin. Nakakatuwa lang yung gold color niya. But it smells so good. Nung nasa Taiwan pa ako, mahilig ako magpabagahin nito, guys. Maganda yung may Iba yung lasa ng Ferrero Rocher. I like the nutty, the nuts. I have to be careful na walang malaglag sa sahig kasi bawal to sa Matley. Hindi pwede ang mga aso nito, guys. Nandun siya sa pen niya, guys. What are you doing? Huh? You like playing there? Ay, naku, si Magli.